What's up, everybody? We're at Black Bob in Stillwell, Kansas. If you are just following me right now for the first time, you're like, who the hell is this guy in front of this house right now? I'm a real estate investor. I started with absolutely nothing from broke. You too can start from broke and become a real estate investor. It just takes tenacity, saving money. It takes solving problems, right? A gentleman called me about this property who owned this property right here. When we came over to this property, the guy who I bought it from, he's a builder. He was gonna make it his personal house. What happened was he put his garage over here and he gutted the whole inside and did a bunch of stuff and then said, yeah, I'm not doing that plan no more. So he called me, says, hey, Troy, you wanna buy this property? I came out here, took a look at it a few times. And I said, what the hell were you doing? Why are you doing this? It's like, well, I was gonna have my garage over here. I was gonna build a big old deck into the forest. I was like, well, that doesn't really seem like a good plan for a guy who's gonna flip it. I would have just put it back together. So if you can see right here, that's where the garages were, and I would have literally just put it back together. But he stripped it all out, and you can see right over here that he cut in his plumbing lines already and did a demo. So he did a demo job for me. And so obviously everybody's looking at this big old piece of hunk of concrete right here and going, well, why don't you keep that, Troy? And I'm like, because if I'm coming down the driveway, which is right behind us here, I've got to take a turn into my garage, and then I gotta walk my groceries into my house, which is not common sense. Immediately I was like, we gotta abandon this. We're not gonna look at this as money. It's only gonna cost us money to keep this. We're gonna rip this thing out. And so what are the problems that we've encountered? This has actually been a really smooth property from a transactional standpoint because Ross encountered a problem. He found that all this good stuff right here is bedrock, right? This guy's literally chiseled out bedrock. So we're sitting, if you look right there, we're sitting literally on top of bedrock. From just a code standpoint, you need to be at 36 inches below frost in Missouri for your footings. What's a footing? A footing is all where this rebar is right here. That's where you're gonna attach the foundation. So we have an architect sends out the plans, he puts the plans accordingly. When you have to get an exception, which we did, he says, oh, I look at the property, we're good here. You're attaching to bedrock. Bedrock ain't gonna freeze and thaw. Bedrock's just gonna be bedrock. These guys had to chisel out a bunch of this stuff. Why did I put the garage here versus leave this existing structure that's already permanently there? A couple different reasons. I can make a garage here, attach it, pick up an extra 500 square foot, buy this house. I think it looks better. I think most people want to pull into their garage, walk into their house. That's 1 and 2, actually. Number 3, he put it on their setback. So the end of that garage actually, according to the neighbor and according to the parcel, is actually not properly set back. So I would have had to tear it down anyway. So let's walk on in here. We'll show you what we're doing. I don't know how to read plans. And if you're thinking, God, you know, this is a major job, you just hire qualified people. You don't have to be focusing on what you're not capable of doing and understanding every single capacity. You just have to focus on solutions. You know, a lot of people would have said, do a bunch of different things. We're saving the deck. Wood, solid wood. We've got a really nice view. You know, this is very private. This is a good area. In fact, Ross wanted to move out here. He might be buying this house from me. You can see this is what he did. He stripped out all these things. He was gonna pour something else here. He stripped out all these footings. Oh, we do actually have our stairwell now. That's cool. Basically, the laundry room's back there. This is a bedroom. This is a hallway. This is a wall. Now we've just got our stairs in. Oh, we need to cut this back just a little bit, I think. We're walking in here. We got a bathroom in here, a little office in here. I don't know why we don't have our cut through here. Mi amigo, Juan, necesito, por favor. ¿Qué pasa?
What happened?
What happened to your panza?
I have problem with my belly.
What happened?
I eat too much.
Embarazada?
Yeah, 3 months.
Okay, that's the door right there though, right?
This one for downstairs?
No, for upstairs, for here.
I don't know. Maybe now it's closed.
Yeah, you have it closed right now.
No, no need door here because this is shower.
Yeah, yo comprendo, but
Yeah, so-
we need access aquí.
But the plan is not there.
What? Let me see the plans. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna hop over here?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, shoot. Okay, perfecto. I don't even know my own plans. So can you cut this back a little bit
Yeah, what I said.
for the clearance?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think that.
Because Juan, I'm gonna buy it, and it's too
I
low
know,
for me.
I know that. And the plan say the stair is 14 foot. The tall people is come hit in the head in there.
Me too.
So, yeah, right.
Not
So,
you.
Not me. Me is really tight.
Let's walk us through what we got going on here.
Here is shower with bench.
And then double vanity.
Here, and the plan say the vessel here for the towel vessel.
Oh, vessel tub, right.
Here is big vanity all the way.
Oh yeah, okay, gotcha.
To sink.
I think it's a good layout. Everything on plans always looks different when you start building it, right? I don't know, I'm not good at reading plans, and we'll get into that a little bit later, but this is gonna be a good looking shower. Can we do double shower head in here?
Maybe, but this you have to remove this one.
Yeah, over the top.
Right. See, that work. One there and one in the middle.
Yeah, see, good idea, Ross.
That's what I would like when I buy it.
All right, so one here and one over the top. So, all right, so we got this. This is a big bathroom. Big closet, decent sized master. We vaulted this up to the top, right?
Yes.
So that's gonna make it look really big. You gotta go 6 inches off that for insulation, correct?
Yeah.
Because you got a 2x4 there, or 2x6, or what is that? That's a 2x6, right?
2x6.
So you gotta go 4 inches off that, right?
Uh-huh.
Because you gotta have 10 inches of space for insulation. So he's gotta go 10 inches off, so it means you'll hook a 2x4 to that, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna put a 2x4 right on the top of it, right? For insulation, no?
No, you find this one the same, the big ones. Look.
Okay. Couldn't you do the same thing by just doing you don't need to remove it though, is what I'm saying is you could just put it.
We have to put 2x4 for the 16 inches insulation.
Okay. So the plans don't call for it. We don't need it. Okay, good. And then you're gonna put lighting in the top. Fan right here in the middle. Loaded up with can lights. So even if the plans call for less can lighting. So here's what I'm learning about myself when I'm doing these houses is I need to hire a designer because I get in here and I start moving stuff around once I'm in the middle of it, right? Because the architects do one thing and then I need to probably get a designer on the other end because this is what I noticed with my personal house because there's something I'm like, oh yeah, that looks good. And then when you get out here, you're like, I got to make up a couple changes here. But this looks good. I'm happy with it. So what's we got here?
This is the kitchen, refrigerator here, this side.
Okay.
Dishwasher here.
Right?
Sink.
See, one thing about that's Juan, he always writes everything down.
Yes.
It's very smart. This is if you're working with somebody, he plans his stuff out. So he's got everything written out where it goes. Stove here in the middle.
On the middle.
This is not a double oven, is it?
No.
We don't want double ovens.
Why you want to put the...
No, I never want to put a double oven. I didn't look at the plans that good.
No.
So if it is a double oven, we're not putting one in there is what I'm letting you know. We're putting an island in here too, right?
One island go here in the middle.
This is a really nice design feature. I really like this. Yeah, it looks amazing. So we're gonna have a nice big tall ceilings. We're taking advantage of that. Can we do that here too?
If you want, maybe. But I think for a kitchen, you put a can light like this, it looks good too.
Okay, fine.
A couple can lights.
Yeah, that's good. We're on a budget, man. So we're walking into the master. We got the master. What did we do here? We just cut this part down. It was just a stupid step. It didn't make no sense, right?
Right. So then I remove it and make flat all of it.
Yeah, and then you extend it out there. And we're just gonna pressure wash it and paint it.
Stain it.
No, paint. Pintura.
Paint, solid stain.
See, we're gonna paint it and we're gonna do a nice stain or a nice paint. Probably gonna paint it. Here's why. This is old, this is new. So we should probably paint it, right? Because if we stain it, it's gonna show that it's old and new. If we paint it, it's gonna look all brand new.
Okay.
Okay? You're putting a window here.
We paint yellow.
Yellow?
Here.
Amarillo?
Yes.
Let's see. What do you guys think? Should we paint it yellow? I like this. Did you pick this out or did we order?
I pick from Home Depot.
This is good. This looks.
My wife actually saw that and said, we need to do the same thing.
This looks good. I like copper. That's like my favorite color. This is what I was telling you we need to fix the roof.
Yeah, I need to fix that part.
That roof is good though still, right?
Well, it's still good, I guess. Yeah, it's almost new, maybe.
Yeah, I think so. So we're gonna fix that. You got the windows. We paid for those. You're missing two.
No, this one is a special order. I had to do in Home Depot.
Okay.
Because different size. The other guy is too expensive.
Whoa. Can we just bring them up and not special order?
In the plan is 60. I don't know.
Change the plan.
Oh, they change it. Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Okay. But the problem is it's already cut here.
That's true. But you have some more wood, right?
For framing, it's not big deal. For the siding, I have to remove and put new one.
Okay. So you already ordered the window?
Not yet, but I have to do it.
That's one problem I always have. And I'm learning this with architects. I got to say, like, dude, this is builder grade. Like, let's go builder grade. Let's go standard. Because sometimes we had the same problem with the door. We went this big door. I thought I had addressed everything because these were special order windows too. I got rid of those. But apparently we still got these. This is actually going to be something that I'm okay with because probably most people are going to want these. We got these windows for very inexpensive. And you did a good job here with this stuff. You got to finish this though, right?
Yeah, I need to trim it.
Why are you trimming it?
This one in the bottom have problem. So when it's raining, it's getting in. That problem have.
That's my point. ¿Cómo se dice rain?
Llueve.
Llueve. So it's water. The reason he's putting it here so that it kicks out on the deck. So
before don't have it, so that is a lot of problem downstairs because all the water get in.
So you got to raise this an inch or like
one inch
like a.
fix it.
Okay. Is this a big job for you?
Big job?
Yeah,
For me?
yeah.
I don't think so. Why big job?
No, but this is a bigger job than normal.
thing-
Than normal, right?
Well, for me it's normal because
Everything normal, construction.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but the problem is find the real person for work. The problem I have with the concrete guy right now.
You want another guy?
No,
I have
no, I got that's okay.
I have another guy.
Yeah, but
Otra persona.
I got deal with him right now. I give money for material for that.
Well, go find him.
You wanna
Pistola.
use the material? No.
Pistola. No, I'm just kidding.
I don't
Don't ever do that. Violence doesn't solve anything. Where you from, dude?
I'm from Honduras.
I thought you said El Salvador.
No, Honduras, Fort Trujillo.
Puerto Rico?
Yes,
¿Cuántos años vive aquí?
23 years.
¿Cómo se dice? Move to US.
¿Por qué te moviste para Estados Unidos?
¿Por qué?
Better life.
You like it?
I like it, hard work, that's it.
Hey, thank you for staying tuned all the way to the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope you're actually learning something. If you are, make sure you stay tuned because we got plenty of more videos about exactly what I'm talking about, which is flipping houses, right? I'm learning, we're all learning, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Peace.